getting ready to put the Cbr300R cams into the 300L. So those are the cam part numbers. That is the gasket for the tensioner. That's the gasket for the valve cover. There's our feeler gauges, our shim kit, and then my local Honda shop printed me out the specs off the manual for the CBR. So that's 1-8 out of the manual, and then that's got some torque values on it. That's 10-5. Some basic stuff about the tensioner, 10-7, 10-8, and 10-9. So you can see I've got the bike mostly taken apart from doing the Cbr 300R intake boot. Now we'll go ahead and take that valve cover off and get to those camshafts.